This is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and welcome to Tips and Techniques Tuesday. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you would like to purchase any of these Stampin' Up! Products, just go to marytroutner.stampinup.net.
Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, this is Tips and Techniques Thursday. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up! And that means I sell Stampin' Up! Products. Well, this time of year is Sale-A-Bration, and that's one of the biggest Stampin' Up! Sales there are. Let's bring this down so you can see this. Stampin' Up! For every $50 you spend, you can order a free item in their Sale-A-Bration catalog. And this year they also have two items that if you spend $100, you can choose one of the two $100 items. They're a little more, it's the thinlits and then this huge stamp set. So I just wanted to run you through the Sale-A-Bration catalog. This is if you join Stampin' Up! You get 2 free sets during Sale-A-Bration. If you host a party and your party's over $250, you get an extra $25, so an extra 10% of the $250 party. Now this is Heartfelt Blooms. This is on the $50, and it's just a beautiful, and it's a different type of stamp set. It's called, the patent is pending on it, and it's called Distinctive. It's a flat, almost a flat stamp. It looks almost lasered or something. It's just beautiful. And this is just some of the things. This is the project using a free item, so you can get ideas on how to do this. Here's Mixed Medallion Card Kit. This is a card kit you can use, and I had some here. I don't think I got it here anymore. I must have used it. You can do both of these cards. They make 8 trifold cards, so you get 4 of each of the 2 designs. And then there's the beautiful Peacock stamp set. Again, that's a $50 order, and here's some of the things you can do with that. And the feathers, they've got 3 different kinds of feathers for that peacock, so you can do a lot with that. Then this is Lots of Lavender. I just love that. Isn't that beautiful? I just think it's a really great set. You can do 2-step stamping with it, and it works really great with the new Stamparatus. Now here is again project using a free item, so that's this. Here's some of the shimmering ribbon. This is another free item, and you can do so much with that shimmering ribbon. I just love that shimmering ribbon. And then here's a project that's using a free set, and that free set is the Sweet Souris Memory and More's card pack. Now you can use this, let's bring this down a little more so I can show you this. You can use this card pack for pocket cards, plus also you can use it for making your own cards. Look at that, here's all the cards that they made with that. And that's just using that card pack. So it's a pretty cool card pack. And then we've got the Epic Celebrations. That's a stamp set. And then we've got the Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper. And that goes with the Bubble Over stamp set in the Occasions catalog. And here is this project, earns a free, uses a free item. You can see that. And then we've got the Tutti Frutti cards and envelopes. You've got the envelopes here that match the cards, and they're white on the inside, but you can look at, all you need is a stamp to go on these. These are just so beautiful. And then we've got probably, other than the Heartfelt Blooms, this one, the Party Pandas, is one of my favorite ones. I just really love that stamp set. So much you can do. And then we've got the Amazing You, which is a really great one, and I'm going to be using that here pretty soon to make some of my cards. And then we've got, this is a $100 set. This is the Celebrate You Thinlits. It has Celebrate, Amazing, and You. That will also be in the catalog. Let me see there. That will be in the catalog, new annual catalog starting in June. But get it for free now. you know, why not for free? Don't pay for it. And then this is another, these items use this. This is Happy Wishes, which is a $100 free item. And it's got happy, you are the B anniversary, birthday, happy anniversary, happy birthday, you make me so happy, wishing you a best birthday, best anniversary, wishing you a happy birthday, stuff like that. You can just mix and match them so much. And then that's it. So I really want to say, if you don't have a celebration brochure, let me know, and I will mail you a celebration brochure and an occasions brochure. So if you want to get any of this stuff free, if you're in the U.S., just head down below and it'll show you a link to my store so you can buy your $50 worth of stuff and get one of the celebration items. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.